Using a debit card in a wallet app is very easy to do. Today I'm going to show you how to do it. Open the wallet app on your mobile device. Look for the plus icon located in the top right corner of the screen and tap on it. From the options that appear, select debit or credit card and tap on it. Tap on Continue to proceed with adding a new card. Now, you will need to enter the card details manually. Start by entering the name and card number associated with the card. Once you've entered the required information, tap on Next to continue. If the card you entered is not eligible for Apple Pay, you will see a message indicating this. Tap on Learn More to find out more information about the eligibility criteria. Apple Pay currently supports eligible Visa, MasterCard, American Express, and Discover credit and debit cards offered in the US. You can view a list of different cards that are supported by Apple Pay to see if your card is eligible. After making a payment, you will typically receive a payment confirmation on your device. You can also review your payment history within the wallet app. In case your mobile device is lost or stolen, you should contact your bank immediately to suspend your mobile wallet access.